Okay, this is a house we bought back in, I believe it was 2008, built in 2005. And it originally had a wooden porch, a very long wooden porch with no overhang. And it caused all the ends of the floor joist to rot away because it wasn't attached properly, and it really should have had a roof over it. But so we've had to repair the floor joist, and I've still got a bunch more to do. But there's our 2x10 by 16 footers, which are now about a little over $30 a piece. Anyway, I am going to show you what damage is caused by putting a porch onto a wooden house. A brick house is fine, but a wooden house, you've got to be so careful, know exactly what you're doing. And even then, I've seen a lot of houses that have had a lot of problems, even when it's supposedly done right. So hold on, and I will move over there. So here's the floor joist, and here's somebody's shooting today. Here's what happens when you have a porch attached to a wooden house, and it's one of the worst ones. But they're all like this. And what we had to do was sister on new pressure treated floor joists. So you can see how far back, sort of, that was rotted out. Anyway, it's just a warning to anybody. If you're going to put a porch, put a roof over it. Don't be dumb. Yeah, even with pressure treated, we had to replace the sill plate too, because there was really nothing left of it. And we tried putting in a 2x12 sill plate, and it didn't go back far enough to support the floor joists. So we had to sister on new floor joists. So to anyone, beware what you're doing. Thank you.